cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. The echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown in this abstract.
Hi guys, so good morning and welcome back to my magical world. It's me, Frostbite, your favorite celebrity here in the Philippines. It's 11:10 in the morning right now, and we are going to proceed again with our reading sesh. Okay, so it's June 7, 2024, Friday. Thank God it's Friday, but our schedule is so hectic. My God, guys, hindi ko alam kung papaano siya gagawin. Sobrang ang hectic, guys, ng schedule. Hindi ko kinakaya. Like, oh my God. And I have to be with you also. Anyways, we're on to page 175 of the book Arousal by Emily Daworley. We'll just continue. Okay, number 6 na tayo, guys. Listen up and all eyes and all ears. Dito muna sa akin. Tune in. Okay? So, before that, drink muna kayo ng hydrate yourself, okay? Any ba tawag dito? Any liquor? Any drinks, okay? Hindi kasi yun yung term sasabihin ko. Anyways, game number 6, game lap it up. This game helps you communicate with your lover using only their sense of taste. To play, firstly, have a leisurely bath together to ensure that you are both nice to be near. Now, blindfold your lover and lay a trail of chocolate buttons, honey, or some other delectable treat over your body, making sure to include all of your erogenous zones. Tell your lover how many areas they have to find, then lie back and enjoy. Your lover now has to correctly identify all of your erogenous zones using their tongue alone. Award a point for every zone they correctly identify and an extra 10 points if they devise a new way to stimulate the area that hits the spot. Once all your erogenous zones have been identified, have a shower or bath to ensure there's no sugar left anywhere intimate, as otherwise there is a risk of contracting a yeast infection. So iniiwasan natin yun. Sobrang guys, hindi ko alam kung paano ko hahatiin ang aking katawan and my soul, my body. And at the same time, I freaking wanted to have a rest. Like, ko alam guys, may magandang tanawin. Okay? While you are showering, your partner can prepare their own sugary trail over their body and get ready to blindfold you and let your tongue explore every inch in search of their erogenous zones. Again, you'll receive 1 point for finding an erogenous zone and an extra 10 points for stimulating it in the right way. Think licking, sucking, nibbling, or lapping, or get creative and let your lips go wild. Happy hunting. So we have an article. Maiksi lang siya, guys. It's cute. Okay. X marks the spot. Like yung letter X talaga yan, guys. Okay? So rather than simply focusing on the obvious erogenous zones, try to introduce something new into your love life. With this game, think of the areas you'd love your partner to kiss and caress that are maybe neglected in your usual love making. Try the crook of your neck or the tips of your toes, the back of your knees or the inside of your wrist. Try to think of at least 10 erogenous zones, including the nipples and genitals. That way, you'll not only enjoy a thoroughly sexy tongue bath, but also help your lover learn more about the way you like your body caressed, which they can then incorporate into further love making sessions. Overall, guys, Today is a productive Friday. Hindi ko alam how I am going to handle this weekend kasi I don't know. There's a lot of things to do. So, sana makayanan natin tong upcoming week. And yan. After nito guys, talaga seriously, I'm going to have a rest. Hindi na muna tayo maglalabas. Not unless it's an all expensive. Not unless it's an all expense. Tama ba? Yung bayad lahat sa abroad. Okay? If you want me to travel, yan. All expenses paid abroad. If dito lang naman siya, mananamimik na muna ako sa bahay kasi, guys, yung pagod ko talaga to the roof. Okay? So, ayan. Thank you guys for listening to all my rants, to my life, for always being here. And thank you for helping me make this world a better place for all of us and for the future generation. Yan, mag-ingat kayo kasi it's Friday. Everyone is rushing. And you don't wanna be in the middle of something. So, careful kapag lalabas kayo, ha? It's more, again, Friday, sobrang everyone is a little bit agitated, irritated, and all of that. Kasi gusto nilang maka-uwi agad. 'Di ba? Sino ba naman ang ayaw? Pauwi ka na, tas ako paalis na naman. Sige na guys. Bye! I'll see you again.
Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths